Welcome to Jenny's tutoring. This is chapter 27, linear equations. Let's learn how to answer the questions based on the graph, then how to plot the points in the graph. Let's learn exercise 27.1. B question, give the coordinates of another point that lies on the line. Okay, so we are going to find the coordinates, another coordinates, okay, which lies on the line, which line y equals to x plus 1. Okay, so first coordinate I have taken as 7, 12. So how do we know this coordinate lies on the line? We have to check with an equation. So what is that equation? Y equals to x plus 5. How to check? We have to substitute the x coordinate and the y coordinates in the equation. So in E, what is our x coordinate? That is 7. Y coordinate is it's 12. So just we substitute. 12 equals to x is 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is it's 12. So that means what? 7, 12 lies on the line. So E lies on the line. Okay, next one is minus 3, 2. F of minus 3, 2. So what we have to do? We have to check this coordinate lies on the line or not. So what is our x in here? That is minus 3, y is 2. So what we have to do? We have to substitute these coordinates in the equation. So what is that equation? Y equals to x plus 5. So what is our y? That is 2. What is our x? That is minus 3. So 2 equals to minus 3 plus 5. Now minus 3, one is in the minus symbol, one is in the positive symbol. So what we have to do? We should do the subtraction. So 5 minus 3 is it's a 2. 5 is the bigger number which has the positive sign. So it's a plus 2. Okay, so that means what? F lies on the line. Third question, a photocopier manages to print on average 2.5 sheets of paper per second. If T is the time in seconds and N the number of sheets printed. Okay, what is the equation? Write an equation linking N and T. Okay, so first what is given in there? 2.5 sheets of paper per second. That means what? 1 second they are printing 2.5 sheets. Now we are finding for t seconds. That means what? 2.5 into t, which is nothing but 2.5 into t. So number of sheets equals to 2.5 into. Okay. Now B question is, plot a graph of n against t for t ranging from 0 to 10 seconds. So if we want to plot a graph, we need the coordinates, right? So now we are going to find coordinates. When t equals to 0, we have to substitute here, okay? So n equals to 2.5 into 0, okay? 2.5 into 0 is nothing but it's a 0. When t equals to 0, n also is a 0. Now t equals to 1. Okay, what we have to do? We should substitute in the equation. So 2.5 into 1. 2.5 into 1 is 2.5. Now when t equals to 2, so n equals to 2.5 into 2. 2.5 into 2 is, it's a 5.0. When t equals to 3, n is equals to 2.5 into 3. 2.5 into 3 is 7.5. T equals to 4. When t equals to 4, just substitute the value of t in that equation. So n equals to 2.5 into 4. 2.5 into 4 is, it's 10. When t is equals to 5, so n equals to 2.5 into 5, which is equals to 12.5. T equals to 6. So n equals to 2.5 into 6, which is equals to 15.0. T equals to 7. When t equals to 7, n equals to 2.5 into 7, which is equals to 17.5. T equals to 8. When t equals to 8, n equals to 2.5 into 8, which is equals to 20.0. When t equals to 9, n equals to 2.5 into 9 equals to 22.5. When t equals to 10, n equals to 2.5 into 10, which is equals to 25.0. Let's plot the coordinates. Okay, so these are the coordinates we found. When t equals to 0, then n also 0. Okay, so 0, 0, 1, 2.5, 2, 5.0, 3, 7.5, 4, 10.0, 5, 12.5, 6, 15.0, 7, 17.5, 8, 20.0, 9, 22.5, 10, 25.0. Okay, these are the coordinates we are going to plot on the graph. Now, first coordinate is what? 0, 0. Before that, x-axis represent p seconds, y-axis represent number of sheets. Okay. So, x-axis we have taken as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because the t is ranging from 0 to 10 seconds. So, here number of sheets. So, I have taken as 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, let's plot now. First coordinate is 0, 0. Okay, so it will come here. So 0 from x-axis and the y-axis also 0. So meeting point is here, 0, 0. Now next coordinate is 1, 2.5. So 1 we have to take from x-axis and 2.5 from y-axis. So 2.5 is in the middle of 0 and 5. So 1, 2.5. Now next coordinate is 2, 5.0. 5.0 is nothing but just 5. 2, 5. So 2 we have to take from x-axis. 5 we have to take from y-axis. So 2, 5 here. Now next is 3, 7.5. So 3 where we have to take from x-axis. 7.5 from y-axis. So 7.5 is the middle of 5 and 10. So it's here. Next coordinate is 4, 10.0. 10.0 is nothing but it's just 10. So 4 from x-axis, 10 from y-axis. The meeting point is here. 4, 10. Now 5, 12.5. So 5 we have to take from x-axis. 12.5 we have to take from y-axis. So 5, 12.5. Again this is the midpoint. So 5, 12.5. Now 6, 15.0. 15.0 is nothing but just 15. So 6, 15. Now 7, 17.5. So 7 we have to take from x-axis. 17.5 is that middle point. Okay. So its a meeting point is here. 7, 17.5. Now 8, 20.0. 20.0 is nothing but just 20. So 8 and 20, it's meeting here. Okay. 9, 22.5. So 9 we have to take from x-axis, 22.5 from y-axis. So 9, 22.5. Now 10, 25.0. So 10 we have to take from x-axis, 25 we have to take from y-axis. So 10, 25. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.